Hi, it's Esther here from Online Media Works. Can't believe it's day 8 of our LinkedIn How to Boost Your Presence on LinkedIn profile. So today I'm going to ask you a question, which is, are you at all-star status? So LinkedIn profiles have 5 stages of strength. It's beginner, intermediate, advanced, expert, and all-star. So when you're building your profile, LinkedIn will tell you how well you're doing on your dashboard. So when you log into LinkedIn, go to your dashboard and it will tell you where you are on the scale and what you need to do to get to the next level. So your goal should always be to get to all-star status. It's not very difficult to do, but it will give you a big edge over your competition. So the main reason to get to all-star status is the fact that you will then appear on LinkedIn search results. And only 51% of LinkedIn users are at all-star status. So the 7 things you need to do to get to all-star status are: the first one is to set your industry and your location. Then you need to add at least 3 skills in the skills section. You must have a profile photo. So if you're not sure about that, go back to, I think it was day 3 when we looked at profile photos. You must have at least 50 connections, and you must have put 2 past experiences in your job history. And you must have your education complete on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn members who have got up-to-date positions as part of their experience are actually discovered 18 times more in search. So if you have any problem locating your dashboard or implementing any of these steps, please reach out to me, because I'll be really happy to help you. Tomorrow we're going to be looking at privacy settings. So I'll see you then. Bye for now.